All right, it's Mr. KB back with number 5. Let's take a look at this one. So we want to solve and verify our answer. We've got these troublesome variables in parentheses. Let me see if I can make these any larger. Can I change the font? How can I do that? Normal. Ooh. Oh, why didn't I do this sooner? Oh, that's way easier for people to see from their desk. Okay. I'm learning how to use Jamboard better. That's good. Okay, so we're going to use Sephora's rule, I'll call it, or Sephora's strategy. And we will divide both sides by 6 to get rid of this troublesome 6 right here. Okay. And now what we're left with here is r plus 6 equals -3. And we're left with -3 because -18 divided by 6, a negative divided by a positive is going to be a negative. All right, what do we do next? Well, we're pretty close to the end. All we need to do is write r plus 6, and we're going to subtract 6 to both sides, because we want to get rid of this 6 here, equals -3 minus 6. Okay, and then that's going to give us r equals -9. A -3 and a -6 put together is a -9. So that's my solution for A. Now let's move on to I don't know. Let's try D, since it's a little different. Let's try D. Okay. So we've got 36 equals 6f plus 13. Now, if we were going to use the Sephora rule, we would immediately divide both sides by 6. But instead, we're going to use the distributive property. And what we're going to do is multiply 6 times f and 6 times 13. So here's what we get. 36 equals 6f plus 6 times 13 is 78. By the way, I did that. I solved that in my mind because I know my 12 times tables. 6 times 12 is 72, and add one more 6, and that's 78. All right, where do we go from here? Well, we've got this big, ugly number. We've got 78. We want to get rid of that, so we need to subtract 78 from both sides. Great. That's going to be ugly. 36 minus 78 equals 6f plus 78 minus 78. Oh, does it not fit on here? Okay. Maybe I will make that a little smaller. Make that fit in there. Okay. All right. Now, 36 minus 78. That can be some tricky math. I could try that with some mental math, but I would rather not take any chances. So what I will do is 36 minus 78 equals -42 equals 6f. And suddenly this problem gets a lot easier. How can I get rid of the 6 and isolate the f? I need to divide both sides by 6. Divide this side by 6. And then -7 equals f. And I'm basically done.